Every moment whispers, choose your ground. Silent thoughts where futures are found. Every choice sends ripples around. What we plant will return profound. The mind is soil, alive and wide. Seeds of belief we keep inside. Left unattended, doubts collide, or faith takes root and learns to guide. Mind is a garden, seeds we sow. What we focus on begins to grow. Flowers rise, or weeds may show. Every choice decides the flow. Mind is a garden, tended right. Water truth, pull fear from sight. Day by day, with patient might, success blooms in focus light. Fear grows fast when left unchecked. Weeds take hold where truth's neglected. But discipline hums a steady song, turning fragile hope into something strong. Thoughts form actions, actions lead. Habits rise from what we feed. Every step plants deeper seed, and outcomes echo what we believe. Mind is a garden, seeds we sow. What we focus on begins to grow. Flowers rise, or weeds may show. Every choice decides the flow. Mind is a garden, tended right. Water truth, pull fear from sight. Day by day, with station might, success blooms in focus light. Pull the weeds of yesterday's doubt. Make room for what life's about. Inner care shapes the outer root. That's how the harvest turns out.